Here we are, Secrets Moxche, room 2228, which we feel is the perfect room because you're really close to elevators and stairs, but yet it's not noisy. We have been here for a few days, which I think is a good way to do the video because now I have things that I can say about the room since we've experienced it. So you'll see we're a little bit moved in at this point. So when you come in near the door, room service is included 24 hours a day. So they have this little cubby for when you're done with your foods to put in there, keep things out of the way. You have a nice big safe, and then the few drawers down here for storage. You have this closet for storage as well. And then there is yet another hanging space here. The room, the robes are provided for you as well. And there is extra pillows and blankets up there. That is one thing I'll say about this room. So this is the King Tropical View room. It is their entry-level suite. This is an all-suites property, so we thought, why not try the entry-level suite and see how that is? And so far, it's working out great for us. But I do wish there was more storage, because if you're gonna stay here for a week, there really isn't much for that. But I love how even their entry-level rooms come with the double sinks. And yes, as you can see, just getting back from the beach. And you have a separate room here for the toilet. And then your shower. You have a nice rain shower head. And then you also have the handheld there. It is nice. There's a bench and there is plenty of shelf space for your products. I have found out I am not a fan of the shower head or the rain shower head because I'm someone who does not wash my hair every day. So I've been using the handheld, and the handheld has amazing pressure as well. And then for us ladies, there is the lighted makeup mirror here. Very, very nice. And hi everyone, Bianca with Cruising the Pacific. Remember to like and subscribe so you always know when the videos are coming out. You have some of your products here. There is incense, which that is the first time I've ever seen where they encourage an open flame instead of a hotel room. And then these products here, they will replenish daily. I thought this was a really nice touch here because you're in Mexico, that they give you this mosquito repellent. They also have some sunscreen. So even if you take these daily, all of this has been replenished for us. Okay. And then you have your TV, king size bed. There are outlets by the bed, which is really nice, so you can charge all of your devices. And then coming over here, there is a little tablet that you can use for room service, different things within the property. You can look up the restaurants, things like that, if you want to look at the menus ahead of time. And then again, all inclusive, so all of this is included. You have your Nespresso coffee maker, some coffees, different things for that. Plenty of water always in the rooms. And then you have your mini fridge that is also restocked daily. So they put some beer up there. You have your waters, your soft drinks, different things for you to enjoy. And then a little sitting area. And then, as you can see, my husband's out there. All the rooms come with a balcony where you have a lounger and a tub. And then, of course, depending on which level of suite you get, some of them have swim outs and other things. So we just got done at the pool. We went to the coffee shop that's available 24 hours a day. And this afternoon, check out these pastries. There is a s'mores cupcake, and this one is a lavender cupcake. So endless treats to enjoy while you're here. So hope you enjoyed this video and have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.